The Center for Advancing Sociodemographic and Economic Study of Alzheimer's Disease and Related Dementias, Science of ADRD, is an interdisciplinary research center founded in 2020 with a grant from the National Institute on Aging. Launched and led by the University of Southern California's Schaefer Center for Health Policy and Economics, with experts from USC, Stanford, and the University of Texas, Austin, the center aims to fill knowledge gaps and improve the lives of those affected by dementia. To facilitate high-impact social science research, an inaugural workshop for social scientists was held in February of 2021. The workshop brought attendees into interdisciplinary conversation with major clinical and biomedical researchers in the dementia field.
Paul Ason's presentation was especially enlightening. I'd heard the words of amyloid, tau, beta NFL, these things sort of thrown about and knew a little bit about them.
As Dr. Bennett mentioned in one of his talks, there are some people who are resilient to change and some people are not. It relates to your lifestyle, socioeconomic status. We know that there are racial ethnic disparities.
One of the most insightful experiences in the workshop was actually listening to Dr. Finch. His concept of gerogens actually really helped me kind of think about the ways in which the external environment is impacting some of the internal aging processes that then can affect dementia.
I really enjoyed Dr. Crimmon's presentation. No matter what, and no matter how often I hear her talk, I learn something new every single time.
Sean Curran's work on the genetics of AD and ADRD was super helpful to me.
Researchers at all career stages had the opportunity to make connections to promote innovative new studies.
I got to speak with Dr. Elizabeth Joe in one of the breakout sessions, and that was very, very helpful because I could kind of interact with her and ask her more questions and also understand where someone who's involved with the medical school is coming from.
After this workshop, we started a new project where we're working more closely with the Penn ADRD Center in order to work with their data set that has all of the imaging and has all of the genetic indicators, which we don't normally have with a lot of the social sciences surveys.
This is the first of several annual conferences that will support social science leaders and promote diversity and inclusion among researchers and their studies.
I'm extremely interested and I will attend as many seminars or conferences that enable future collaborations.
They did a really good job on the virtual, but nothing replaces in person. I look forward to being able to get on a plane and going to Southern California again in February sometime soon.
For more information about upcoming workshops and funding opportunities, visit the center's website,